Good morning students, welcome back to S.R.Tutorial. So in my last video, I have discussed a sum on sinking fund, depreciation method, explained, see that is sinking fund method explained. You see the sum, in my last video I have done with the journal entries. Now we are going to prepare the ledger account. So sinking fund investment account, lease account, and another one is sinking fund account. So these three accounts are needed to be prepared: sinking fund investment account, lease account, and sinking fund account. So seeing the journal entries, you can very easily prepare the sinking fund investment account. So the first this one, the first entry for lease account is to bank account for the purchase of lease. Then CDBD is taken out, again CDBD is taken out, and the last whatever balance is obtained, that is transferred to sinking fund account. And again in sinking fund investment account to bank account, this is for the purchase of this is for the investment made. Investment made, sinking fund investment account debited to bank account. Then balancing is done. It is brought down in the next year. Then again in the second year, the investment is 16,657. That is second year's depreciation amount and first year's interest on investment. So adding this to this amount is obtained, that is written. Again balancing is done, it is brought down. Then by bank account for the sale of investment. Now the value of investment is this, it is sold at 31,000, so there is a loss. So loss on sale of investment is 1521, so that is transferred to sinking fund account. Now come to sinking fund account. So in sinking fund account, the first entry is for depreciation. Depreciation charged for the first year. Then balancing is done, it is brought down. Again interest on sinking fund investment account, that is interest obtained from the first year's investment. In the second year it is obtained, so that is 793. So that should be posted. Then depreciation charged is 15,864 for the second year. Now balancing is done. So credit side is greater than debit side, so 32,521 is the balance, that is again brought down. Now there is interest on sinking fund investment account for the third year, which is 1626. Again depreciation is charged, which is 15,864. You just refer to the journal entries as I have done in my last video for making the posting in the ledger accounts. And these are nothing but the balances that is transferred from sinking fund investment account and lease account. So these are the loss on sale of investment 1521. This is transferred 1521, and again this one 50,000. So to lease account 50,000, that is transferred. So now the totaling is done. And the balance is transferred to PL account. Got it? So for this three ledger accounts, you have to pass three journal entries again. The first one is sinking fund investment account, sinking fund account debited to sinking fund investment account for loss on sale of investment. So here you see, this is the entry: sinking fund account debited to sinking fund investment account 1521. Then for the lease account, for the lease account it will be sinking fund account debited to lease account. So you see, sinking fund account debited to lease account 50,000 being the balance of lease account transferred. Then okay, then for the sinking fund account, the balance is transferred to PL account. So PL account debited to sinking fund account 1510. Okay, so here you see this is the second last entry 1510. Now in the question it is mentioned in the question that there is a purchase of new asset after the end of 3 years on 1/1/2019. So new lease account debited to bank account. The amount is 70,000 being new lease purchased. Okay. So here you see it is very clearly mentioned that the same lease was renewed for a further period of 3 years by payment of rupees 70,000. Means there is a purchase of new lease on 1/1/2019 for another 3 years. Okay. So the last entry will be new lease account debited to bank account. Okay. So I hope you have understood this sum. Okay, which is which is the calculation of depreciation under sinking fund method or depreciation fund method. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you and please like, share and comment, okay, on the video. Okay, thank you.